So when you live in a bigger or an older house like mine, Wi-Fi connection is not always consistent and can be a bit spotty at times. YouTube videos won't buffer, emails can't be sent, and web pages will take an eternity to load up. So yeah, this is a very common 21st century problem that we encounter from time to time. And in order to combat this, the kind people over at Meshforce reached out to me and wanted me to demo their solution to this very common problem. With the whole home mesh Wi-Fi system Model M1, you can get a more even spread of connection and rid of those stupid dead zones that make us pull our hair out. And on top of having utility, the mesh devices, these little Wi-Fi boxes, have a really clean aesthetic to them, kind of have a white Google vibe to them, and they will definitely fit into any environment you place them in around your household. Installation is really easy. All you have to do is take one of the mesh devices, plug it into power, and then plug it into your modem via Ethernet. Once you got everything plugged in, you can open up the quick start guide and scan the QR code, which will bring you to the Play Store or the App Store to download their own MyMesh app to manage your devices. As you're downloading the app, go to your Wi-Fi settings and then tap on the MyMesh device that will pop up. That's the one you got plugged in. Then all you have to do is type in the password that is located on the bottom of that device and sign in as you would to a normal Wi-Fi network. Then open the MyMesh app and it should detect that you have signed in or connected to that mesh point, and you can go through the setup from there. Once the app runs through its paces and identifies what kind of network you have, then you can set a custom name and password and it'll function just like any other normal Wi-Fi network in your house. And once you get to this point, you can plug in the other mesh devices that you may have bought, the other mesh points, and they will automatically connect normally with the app open. And if they don't, you can just scan the QR code located on the bottom of each mesh device in order to manually connect them. So yeah, not only is your connection going to be more reliable, it's also going to be secure, if not more secure, with WPA and WPA2 PSK mixed security and password encryption. And lastly, my favorite part about this setup is that not only is the hardware great, but the software that accompanies it is also great. You can monitor your Wi-Fi network over LTE or remotely, so if you have guests home or people that you're kind of wary of, you can just manage your Wi-Fi network and kind of see what's happening when you're not home. And yeah, that about wraps things up. I hope this video helped you out. I will leave a link in the description to this Wi-Fi system. I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions or suggestions, and subscribe for more content like this. And as always, I'm Noah, and I will catch you all in the next one.